Today very prime news highlight from SNH from Barcelona, Spain. Smart City Expo Doha concludes shaping the vision of urban living in the Middle East. Smart City Expo Doha closed on November 26 after 2 days of intense discussions on how technology can transform cities in the Middle East into sustainable and livable environments. The leading event on the urban future in the MENA region is now preparing for its 5th edition, scheduled for April 28 to 29, 2026. The 4th Smart City Expo Doha, organized by FIRA de Barcelona and the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, MCIT, of Qatar, focused on the impact of AI in fields such as mobility, design, and urban management. Under the slogan, Beyond Connectivity, a digital solutions pathway to a smarter, thriving future, the event brought together over 30 international experts and featured 4 standout keynotes: Kent Larson, MIT, on tech-driven urban design, Jesus Serrano on AI innovation, HE, Reem Al-Mansouri on Qatar's urban transformation strategy, and FIFA ambassador Ghanem Al-Mufti with an inspiring message on resilience and inclusion. The celebration of this local edition of SCE highlights Qatar's leadership in smart and sustainable urban development across the MENA region. This prominent role is already evident through major national projects that translate the country's digital vision into reality. Lusail City, one of the most advanced smart city developments in the region, integrates real-time data systems, intelligent mobility solutions, and connected urban services that enhance quality of life and operational efficiency. Similarly, Mashaib Downtown Doha stands as the first fully built smart and sustainable city district in Qatar, combining digital innovation, energy efficiency, and human-centered urban design. Together, these living examples demonstrate how Qatar is shaping future-ready urban environments and progressing toward the ambitions outlined in the Qatar National Vision 2030 and the nation's Digital Agenda 2030. This year, Smart City Expo Doha has been featured at MWC 25 Doha. Organized by the GSMA in collaboration with MCIT, the first MWC event in the MENA, Middle East and Africa, region brought together over 2 days nearly 300 thought leaders and over 250 exhibitors and sponsors. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?